Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Xbox and F124 are ready. Sign into the profile you use for the game and connect a compatible headset or Kinect mic. Open Xbox settings and set mic level so voice is audible, check input and privacy permissions, and allow mic access for apps. Once done, launch F124 and go to its audio and accessibility menus, because you must enable in-game voice commands and assign a trigger method before you attempt a command. You now enable and configure in-game voice control. In F124, navigate to Settings, then Accessibility and Open Voice Commands. Choose whether you want push-to-talk using a controller button or a hot word trigger. Push-to-talk avoids false positives, while hot word gives hands-free control. Next, run the mic calibration and speak the sample phrases so the game adapts to your tone and volume. Once trained, enter practice or a quick session to test common commands like pit stop and overtake, adjusting sensitivity if needed. You finish by using voice in real scenarios and knowing what to do if it fails. Speak short, direct commands, pit stop now, change brake bias +2 or DRS on, and pause briefly after activation so the system parses intent. If the game mishears you, reduce ambient noise, move the mic closer, and rerun calibration. If problems persist, make sure firmware and game are updated, then restart the console. One tip: toggle between push-to-talk and hot word to determine which.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.